friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Hello friends, this is Dinesh Reddy. Today we will discuss about input and output statements. Now we will use input statement. Mainly we will use input as n, let us assume n equal to input of, this will take input from the user and save it in the variable n. Now we will take 23 and the input, now we will see the value of n, it will be 23. In input we will use any statements inside it for our reference only. We will take enter your name and we place enter, it will show us. I will take as Dinesh. Now we will see the value of n, it will be Dinesh. Okay, I think for input it is enough. And now we will see the output statements. Mainly we will use output as print of some value, that is some object. Apostrophe, I will take Dinesh. It will bring the Dinesh as the output. And in the output, the syntax will be given here. And now we will use print of 1, 2, 3, 4. And in between, we will use a function SEP. It will separate the every object here. 1, 2 is there now. That one it will separate. And SEP equal to apostrophe, we will take star. And if you press enter, it will enter 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4. That means SCP is used to separate the gap between them. And here we will use n. If you did not press anything, the n will take as a default of /n, means next line. Okay, now we'll see. Comma n equal to, we will take as star. Now it will print 1, 2, 3 and star. Okay friends. And in the syntax we will use file and flush also. These will be explained in the upcoming classes because I did not cover the topic of file and all. So I will cover it in the next class.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts we will discuss about it, in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.